Hello and welcome to another interesting class on this channel. In today's lesson, we will be learning how to transfer our bust dart to the shoulder in order to achieve the shoulder princess line. So in order for us to achieve this, we will be getting our midpoint. That is what we have at the shoulder. We'll be dividing it by 2 this way and we'll get the midpoint. And we'll be drawing a straight line this way, connecting the 2 lines together. So this is the line where we'll be slashing through this line, because what we want to achieve is a shoulder princess line. This is the classic princess line, not the bustier type, the basic princess line. But this princess line is coming from the shoulder. So we'll be closing our bust dart this way. We'll close up our bust dart. If we close our bust dart this way, we have automatically transferred the dart to the shoulder in order to achieve this shoulder princess line. We just transfer the bust dart to the shoulder, and that gives us our princess line. This is just the simple way of doing this. Just rotate your dart and that is all. So we'll be blending the lines together. When we fold it, there is a shortage there, we just blend it back. This is also called dart manipulation. We have just manipulated the dart, moving it away from the bust, side seam, and we have transferred it to the shoulder in order to achieve a shoulder princess line. So this is it, how simple and easy it is. You can see that working with pattern is just the best. To me, I found it faster and even easier to work with pattern. So I don't know about you. So we'll proceed to cutting out our waist dart in order to separate these 2 patterns. We will be having the center piece and the side piece. So we'll cut out the waist dart. This way, you see how beautiful it is. We are having 2 pieces here, the center piece and the side piece. Look how beautiful it is. So we'll be checking for alignment. Each time after cutting out a dart, always check for alignment so that when you are sewing the 2 pieces together, they will match up. You see, they are equal. If there is any shortage, you fill it up before transferring to the fabric. So this is how simple and easy it is. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.